for a few minutes?
Oh, that's all right.
Can you hear me call your name in the morning? I know that you don't sleep too well through the night. With the rain outside always pouring.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. So I thought I would vlog today. It's Sunday the 31st of May, still in lockdown, but it's kind of eased a little bit in the UK. So yeah, I just thought I'd do a bit of a vlog, show you what we get up to in the day and just have a bit of a catch up. Hello, are you coming to say hello? So on a Sunday I try not to kind of do any housework or anything. I still do my morning routine, like make the bed and do everything like that, just to make sure the house is kind of in order. And then yeah, we just have a bit of a chill day, like a bit of a lie-in. We always have a nice breakfast. We have some croissants and have like cafetiere coffee and things, and we had it in the garden today because the weather is just so amazing. It's been lovely being able to sit outside. We should actually be in Mexico at the minute. We had a 2-week holiday booked to go. We should have left on Thursday, so yeah, unfortunately we're not there at the minute, but luckily we've got the amazing weather here and making the most of it. So yeah, I need to go and finish off getting ready because my hair, well, it was wet but it's kind of dried in the sun. Just put my face on, and then plan is today probably go for a walk somewhere, go for a bit of a picnic, have dinner. There's a barbecue Nick wants to get from home base, so we might pop in there, and yeah, we'll just kind of show you what we get up to today. So let's go and get ready now.
With the rain outside always pouring, so why don't you just wrap my arm around you to hold you tight?
I haven't anything else to do.
Mind if I talk to you for a few minutes?
Can you hear me call your name in the morning? I know that you don't sleep too well through the night. With the rain.
So I've done my hair and my makeup and now almost ready to go. So all I need to do is put a bit of lipstick on. I'm going to pop to the shop, get a few bits for the picnic. This isn't my bedroom, by the way. I'm sat in my daughter's bedroom because she has a lovely vanity unit, so I find it much easier to sit here and do my hair and makeup. I would like one in my room, but it's kind of it's not really a priority, so yeah, it's quite nice to sit in here and do it. So yeah, we're off to the shop now to get a few picnic bits. Yay! Dancing! Yay! Whoa! Oh my god, what an absolute nightmare. So we were going to Pittsford Reservoir, which is just a walk around there, and because that was near the home base that we were going to, so we thought we'll go home base first so we're not in a rush and everything. And the queue was absolutely massive, so we turned around and thought no, that's a waste of time. So then we thought we'll carry on to Pittsford. Got to Pittsford, and just before we got there was a big sign saying that it wasn't open. So yeah, absolute nightmare. By this point we've been driving for over an hour, which is very annoying. So we've just came to a local country park, Sidewell Country Park. Luckily this is open, so we've just parked it, and now we're going to go and find somewhere to have a little picnic because I'm absolutely starving. Come over here then, come and get your grapes. Grapes. So we've just got back home after going to Sywell Country Park. It's not where we originally planned to go, but it's somewhere that I'd actually completely forgotten even existed. I haven't been there since Tamsin was little, so it was actually really nice. We had a lovely picnic there, then had a walk around the lake. Yeah, it was just a really kind of nice day out, and the weather is obviously amazing at the minute, which is definitely helping. So we've just got home now, and I'm going to get changed. Probably going to put a couple of things in the garden. Arabella's been growing a tomato plant, so we're going to plant that together. Yeah, sit down, have an iced coffee, and then get on with dinner shortly. I am obsessed with these new Kenko iced coffee sachets. They're so easy to use. You simply pour a sachet into a glass, add 180 ml of cold water and stir. I've got the salted caramel one, and it tastes just as good as an iced coffee from a shop. Just coming from doing the garden, I managed to get a few plants done. It was very messy, but Arabella had a great time doing it. So now I've come in to make dinner, and tonight we're having grilled steak with ratatouille and saffron rice. This is honestly one of my all-time favourite dinners. It's so nice and really easy to cook. So I'll just quickly show you how we make that now. The first thing you need to do is half a courgette lengthways and griddle it for about 5 minutes until charred. I normally slice some aubergine and do the same, but we don't have any today. After a couple of minutes, you need to put your rice on, so you'll need 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of boiling water, half a lemon, a few strands of saffron and a pinch of salt. Then you want to boil it and simmer for around 10 minutes. Next up, add 3 peppers to a pan. If I use aubergines, then I'll only add 2 peppers, 1 chopped red onion, 2 crushed garlic cloves, 1 heaped teaspoon of harissa. Give it a really good stir and then fry for around 3 minutes. Slice the charred courgette and aubergine if you're using, and add that to the peppers along with around 700 ml of passata, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, and season with salt and pepper. Then you want to simmer that for around 7 to 8 minutes. If the rice is cooked at this point, just take it off the heat and leave the lid on. Prepare your steak by rubbing 2 of these steaks. I use sirloin with salt and pepper and smoked paprika. Then you want to heat the griddle pan until it's fairly hot and add these steaks, cooking for a couple of minutes on each side, dependent obviously on how you like them cooked. Whilst these steaks are cooking, you need to quickly make a dressing by chopping a handful of parsley on a board, mixing in 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon as well. Once the steak is cooked, place them on the dressing to rest for a couple of minutes before slicing them and taking them to the table with the rest of the ingredients. And there you have it, it's ready to serve. You can serve it with some natural yoghurt as well, because sometimes the peppermints can be a bit spicy, especially if children are having it. But honestly, this dinner is absolutely amazing. This is such a lovely dinner, and as you'll see, it literally took me about 15 minutes to make. Arabella loves it too, don't you? Is it yummy? Yeah? Is it? So on a Sunday we always treat ourselves to a really nice dinner, and then we'll also have a matching wine with it as well. It's just something that we kind of started since lockdown, and yeah, we've just kind of been doing it every week now. So this week we've chosen a Malbec. So it's a red wine, and yeah, it's just really nice to have a nice wine that complements the dinner on a Sunday as a nice little treat.
You going for a bath? Yeah?
Nick's just taken Arabella up for a bath, so me and Tamsin are going to get on and clean the dining room. We always try and make an effort to eat in the dining room on a Sunday. The rest of the week, in all honesty, we just eat in the kitchen, because since we've been working from home, the dining room has kind of been set up as a bit of a kind of study office type thing. Tamsin's got two of her monitors set up in here. When Nick was working at home, he had his monitor. Sometimes I work in here as well, so it's quite a mission to kind of clear it all every day just to have dinner in here. But yeah, it is quite nice to actually make the effort and clean it so we can have dinner in here on a Saturday. So with regards to that, I just thought I'd give you a quick update. So I'm actually still working full time. I'm just working from home, but Nick's been furloughed until the end of June now, which is, you know, well, it is what it is. But actually it's quite helpful because we've both got Arabella at home. It means that he can look after her whilst I'm working. So then when he goes back to work, we'll obviously see what happens with the nurseries and things then, and see what we do. So yeah, better get on and tidy up. So I'll probably leave it there because Arabella's in bed. I finished doing the kitchen. Nick's just finished watering the garden, and then I think I'm probably going to go and have a bath, just have a chill out in there, and then we're going to watch Ozark in bed. So we're on the 3rd season now and absolutely loving it. If anyone's watching it, then let me know. I'm going to go and do that now. Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video and this gave you a bit of an insight into a typical day in the life during the weekend. So see you next time, and thank you for watching. Bye.